Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create and set up your Twilio account. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Twilio.com. That is the website you're looking for. On the right hand side, you will see a start for free button, and you're going to go and tap on that. Now, once you've tapped on that, it'll give you the option to create your account. Okay, so here you can sign up for free. So you have two options. Either you are going to add your first name, last name, email address, password, and then you're going to click on this. This just allows you to agree to their terms of services and so forth. Or you can go down here and click on sign up with Google, and you can use one of your Google accounts to sign up to Twilio. Here, once you have chosen the account that you would like to sign up with, you'll need to verify your phone number. So let's go ahead and choose our country code right over here, and then add our cell phone number here. And then you can either send the code via SMS or have the code sent via a voice call. I always think that the SMS is way easier, so just add your number in and tap on any one of these options. You will then be given a recovery code on the next screen, and the reason I'm not showing you this is because of obviously security reasons, but you'll have the option to either copy that code to your clipboard or download it as a text file. So go ahead and save that. Make sure that you keep it safe. It is your last resort for signing back into your Twilio account without any phone number or email address. So once you've done that, you are right over here and you are going to start personalizing your onboarding. So here you are going to select what best describes you. I'm going to go ahead with business. And here, what kind of business are you? Independent software vendor or a direct business? Choose whatever is appropriate for you. And then how would you describe your role? Go ahead and look through that. If you do choose other, then if you're choosing other, then it's not in any one of these categories over here. Go and click on next. And here, how do you want to build with Twilio? So if you want to build with code, minimal code, no code at all, or with third-party integrations, I think with the no code option, that's fantastic. If you don't have any coding experience, you can still build quite nicely and easily. And then what do you want to build with Twilio? Here you can build verifications, notifications, marketing, customer care, or you can just choose what closest matches from here in terms of what you want to build over here. So I just want to choose marketing here for example's sake. And then which channel are you interested in? So I'm going to choose WhatsApp. You can choose only one. I would have liked to have chosen two, but that's fine. Go ahead and choose your option. And go and click on Let's Go. And you will now see, you will jump straight into your Twilio console. You are now all set up and ready to go. You just need to activate your sandbox, acknowledge and agree to the foregoing terms and conditions. Tap on Confirm. And within the next few seconds, this will be set up and ready for you to use it.